Nakapag-upgrade pa kami ng speed and also the hindi niya makita mga vlogs pero parang may nagdidisco sa labas oh. Police ata. May stop. Ayun oh. Siya ba? Kita niyo yung flash.
Ayan ba?
What's that? What's that? What's that? What is 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 that? Dito ka. What is that? 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 Huh? You see anything? You see anything there? The light? What is that? Oh, wow. Yan. Ka-vlog, so hinuli nila yung isa doon, inaresto. Yan. Parang nagsigawan. Kala ko traffic stop lang. Parang may narinig akong isang baril. Sila pa kayo ng sumahay tayo. Hanap nito. Mag-iikon tayo dito.
Saan nila dinapit yun?
Ayun, dami po. Ganda no?
Saan nila dinapit yun? From dito sa sasakyan?
Yes,
Na isa?
Ano yun?
Galing?
Ganda. Ayan mga ka-vlogs ha. Ang daming pulis. Thursday night, March 8?
March
10 na pala. 10. Like, no, it's Friday na ngayon. Kasi 12 a.m.
Yes,
March 10. Mga 12 something na 12:18 a.m. Madaling araw na. Kanina isa lang yung pulis. Ngayon ang dami. Tapos may narinig kami nagsisigaw. Hindi ako naman lumabas lang kasi may ilaw yung sa front porch.
Yes, nalilim siya.
What you doing there? I'm so curious.
Are you married this one?
Are you Marites? First time na pag-inita dito eh. Nalala ko tuloy yung 2015 na yun. Marilan sa labas ng bahay. Namatay na isa. Para umibong ito ng snow sa bahay. Nawarig yung bahay namin. Isa malapit sa puso. Yung butas. Andun pa naman ako na sa couch. Dito na sa taas. Dito yung bahala kung sa bumba ng konti at punta ng right. Patay. Ayan na, fast track on. Sabi niya.
Resilient? Yeah, I've heard that.
Yes, smartest.
Magandang umaga sa inyo, mga ka-vlogs. Ito po ang ating sunrise. Yan mga ka-vlogs, naghihintay tayo, on hold tayo sa internet provider natin. I don't know if I need to elaborate kung ano yung internet service provider, but it's either one or the other lang naman yan dito sa Northern BC. May mga maliliit na,
Company powered by purpose.
well, it's TELUS. You can hear it by the on hold call, right? So earlier I called them. They said just put in the number so they can call back. Nung nag-call back na sila, so I did all the procedure, and then I was hanged up after I did the procedure, so now I'm calling, and then we'll be on hold now. It's still close to 5 minutes on hold, so they said it's about half an hour wait for me, because it's Saturday morning. That's probably everyone is on going through their the technical support, or kung may mga problema. Ayan, may tumatawag, TELUS internet support. Hello, Robert speaking. Okay, call back. So we'll wait.
Hello, thank you for calling TELUS and thank you for waiting on the line. My name is Joseph. How is your day going?
Hi Joseph, it's Robert. Good. It's Saturday morning. It's sunny and almost close to spring. Anyways.
Happy to hear that. How may I assist you today?
Yeah. Yesterday I was on with you guys and then regarding the because I renewed the service contract for another 2 years. So then when I look at the service contract after we hang up in the email, the promotional discount wasn't aligned, so I called and then they aligned it, but so when they aligned it, they said regarding the Wi-Fi Plus, I need to take that off because I'm not using that, then, and it was just put in, but
Okay.
and also like the internet mobile home discount was taken out.
No, I understand.
Yeah, so
Alright.
so yeah,
Okay.
the
I think it's
payment is gonna be more after the promotional, I guess. Or,
okay. I understand. All right. Thank you so much for that information, Albert. Of course, I can start to help you with that. Just to confirm, you said, for example, that you renewed your service agreement, but also you would like to remove some equipment on your service, correct?
yeah, there's a charge of $10 for the TELUS Wi-Fi Plus, which I didn't really order, or it was just put in there because the previous services we had, I never had this
I understand.
TELUS Wi-Fi Plus. So it's an extra $10 that I'm not using.
Yeah, correct. I definitely understand. All right, yeah, don't worry. In this case, we can handle with that. Just let me tell you something. In this case, if it's also about to check, for example, the current bill and also the promotional discounts, yeah, I have to connect you to our promotional department so they can be able to handle with your account and check about your discounts. And also, if you want to remove the equipment, they can also help you with that.
I was with them yesterday, and then they said to call back. Gave me a direct line. They said 1-855-595-5588, and I did that route, and then says still like I need to be on hold or get a call back, and then I guess I get a call back from you, and then now you're just going to transfer me over after a wait of, I don't know, 5 minutes or more.
I understand. Yeah, in this case, because, for example, yeah, like I said, this is about our line, that is our care department. This is, for example, about to check to be with our promotional department. But right now, just let me check. We don't have. Well, right now we just have 3 minutes of wait time. Is that okay for you?
Okay, sure. Yeah, I'll wait it for long, so might as well.
I understand it. Sorry for that. All right, don't worry. We just have right now 3 minutes, so I can connect you to our promotional department. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day.
Okay, thank you. And may I get your name again for the record?
I'm sorry.
May I get your name again for the record?
Okay. My name is Joseph.
Joseph. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Joseph.
Yeah. Okay. Don't worry. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you. You too. Grabe ka vlogs, ano?
Let me search for a team member to help you.
Tagal. Ayan mga kayo ka-vlogs, huwag pumunta kayo ng Canada. Kailangan tignan nyo lahat ng billing nyo kasi hindi naman nila enumerate yun eh. Kailangan aware kayo sa lahat.
What is your name?
Robert.
Thank you. May I also confirm the PIN number on your account? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Let's have a look at your services here first and see if the $10 discount is there or not. One moment. March 9.
Roy, easy up, man. Too loud.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah, no, definitely we should be able to put it back on there. Just grab the promotion code there.
Yeah.
Get it on. We're sorting one thing at a time, okay? I'm talking about the mobile home discount right now, right?
Right. Yeah, just to inline everything up with the conversation.
Correct.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Because previous to this we were paying 84, right? And now it's like with the TELUS Wi-Fi
It is
Plus,
89.
yeah, something like that.
89 plus the Wi-Fi Plus is an extra $10 more.
Oh, that's right. But no, I mean the previous service contract before this, when we renewed, because our first bill after the previous contract was our service agreement it came down to $167 something, right? So I called and then they
That's right.
aligned it up with the previous.
The previous agreement. Mhm.
Yeah, but
I
then
saw that before in the previous agreement you were getting charged $81 for the internet and $10 for the big TV.
yeah,
right?
something like that. Yeah.
Exactly. So that was 81 plus 10, 91, right? And then plus taxes.
Right. So yeah, we wanted to actually the big TV was forced into us. Like I was never using it, but I guess the TV Plus is better now than the big TV. So I kind of look at it now a little bit sometimes.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. Let me check something. Give me one moment.
So ayan nga mga ka-vlogs, just giving you a sample on how to deal with the internet service provider, especially TELUS, and you should know kung ano yung price din ng competitor mo, so you can even say to them this is the other party's offering, right? And then you can go to the loyalty team and say, I've been with you guys for so long, so can you guys give me a deal, something like that, right? So yan lang ang kaso nga lang, you spend too much time sa kanila. This took me about maybe more than an hour just to deal with it. I just didn't put it in my blog because it'll bore you, but the lesson here is it's better to shop around and get the best deal, because internet is like your utility bill, and if you're paying so much a month for it, then kayo din ang magiging kawawa. So it's better to shop around and get the best deal out of it. Parang i-bargain din yung ba. So yun lang po. Sa susunod at mabigyan ko pa kayo ng ibang tips or my experiences i-share ko sa inyo for my next vlog. Salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig, and let's bolt in again together. See you again. Bye bye.